Okay, let's go.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. For the new viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I'll attempt to dismantle the radiator without disturbing the air conditioning system and the oil cooling system. I'll try, never done it. It's my first time, and let's see what's gonna happen. If I have enough time, I'll take the bumper down, the front bumper, as it's quite damaged and scratched and the lacquer peeled off, and if I have time. So let's dive in. Today it's a short one. I've succeeded to remove the radiator without taking anything else off. My plan was to install the new radiator and do more, but the delivery didn't arrive today, so it's for the next week. So I managed to take the radiator out. One of the hoses, the lower on left hand side lower hose, the connection was stuck, so that gave me a bit of a headache trying to pull the radiator out with the hose in it. Done it. You've seen it. a bit of a struggle. I succeeded to take the pipe out without damage it. Clean the sensor, put the pipe back. So this was the culprit. This side that goes on the left hand side lower radiator, lower side left hand side radiator. So hopefully next week I'll be able to install the radiator. My plan is to start the car and see if holds water. If not, I might need to take few hoses down. The thing is, I'm not sure if I have all the hoses, as when the car came some of them been literally exploded, gone, and I'll try to assembly as I go. With the same delivery I have the engine rocker gasket cover and a few other bits. That'll help me to cover the engine, and all I need just to start to see if it's working. Then I'll shut it down, replace the spark plugs, change the oil, and then I'll start looking into the external side of it and the roof, the interior, and whatever needs to be painted. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and I shall see you next week. Take care.